Now here is how you can remove the alarm clock icon on your Android phone. So let me explain the whole thing. If you are first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. So obviously, if you go to the clock app and switch to the alarm, you can enable the alarm and then the icon is going to appear in the status bar at the top. So I can always see it visually right there, and I can as well swipe down to access the control center, and it's just showing up at the top. So the most obvious way would be to just go to the clock app and disable the alarms, right? So it's then gonna disappear. But if you still want to have the alarms turn on, but don't want to have the icon right there, you can use the app which is called Good Lock, especially available on the Samsung phone. So if you have a Samsung device, you can go to the Samsung store and download the Good Lock application. It is an app made by Samsung which can allow you to customize your device even more. So when I look up and open up the app on my device, you can see there are other apps within this app which I can install for different purposes. The app which we are interested in is called Quick Star. So this is what it looks like, and it literally tells me that I can redesign my quick panel UI. So it is referring to the apps and icons at the top. So when I click on it and install it, it is going to give me the ability to change and choose the visibility of indicator icons. So when I click on it, you can see that I can turn off and hide the stuff like the AirPlay mode or Wi-Fi, and alarm is most definitely one of them. So when I disable the alarm indicator in here, it's gonna disappear from the status bar at the top, while I can still keep my alarms enabled on the Android. So that is how I could hide it while still keeping the alarm enabled. So let me know your thoughts about this below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads.